Ladies and gentlemen, you're listening to DJ Royal Remix.
Water to absorb to form a carbohydrate. Only 1% of water is utilized by the plant to form a carbohydrate, and remaining 95% was evaporated from the plant. That means if a plant absorbs 1 liter of water, only 10 milliliter will be used to produce carbohydrate. If a plant absorbs 1 liter of water, it is used to only 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters will be used to produce carbohydrate, and remaining 990 milliliters evaporated from the leaf. Only 10 milliliters was used by the plant to perform a carbohydrate, and remaining 990% was evaporated from the leaf. This is known as transpiration. Evaporation of water from the leaf is called as transpiration. You will learn more about it in higher class. You can learn this transpiration in higher class. The relationship between water and crop yields. You may have wondered what differences it would make if water is scarce. Only 1% is used to produce carbohydrate. That is, in this case, the matter is little more in depth. The 1% is utilized for carbohydrates. Remaining 990% was evaporated by the leaf.
Trigonometry is derived from three Greek words: trigonometron. Tri means three. Gona means angle. Metron means measure. Three angle means we can say this three angles. In triangle, there will be three angles. That's why three angles means we can say triangle.
Lakshman is a Hyderabad person, our Telangana. He is a great player who helped India to become a #1 test team. Now see the interview. When you look back, sports star, when you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? Previous Lakshman. It has been wonderful. I was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me and Syed Moinabad in Jag. From the under-16 level itself, they made us play in the under-19 grade the same year. It was a huge slap for us and very encouraging. Fortunately, by 18, I was on the verge of playing for Hyderabad in Ranji Trophy. He is saying about that I was luckily selected to Hyderabad Cricket Association, and in 16 he made debut in international team for India. In 18 he played for Hyderabad Ranji Trophy.
And see the class, sir.
Did the sports teach you? Character, to treat success and failure on the same wavelength. It also taught me to be very balanced, and obviously whatever I am today is because of cricket. He's telling about in cricket about
Your sound is reaching to the reception. You will not be the silent, huh? Be silent. Because of one class, whole school is disturbing. Sit silent.
Do you have any idea about the bath?
पीने का दुस्साहस ना करे ये नकुल నీళ్లు తాగడానికి సాహసం చేయకు सावधान सावधान అంటే జాగ్రత్త पहले मेरे प्रश्न के उत्तर दो फर्स्ट నేను అడిగే క్వశ్చన్లకి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పు नकुल चेतावनी की परवाह ना करके पानी पीने लगा అంటే ఒక మాట వినబడదు కదా నకుల్
This is English Shay. I'm acting as English teacher. Today I am going to explain Planetary chapter. Please open page number 62. Anybody know eucalyptus plant? Eucalyptus, which is found in desert regions. In mostly it will be so many thorns it will be. It is very used for medicines.
Excuse me?
Some trees like eucalyptus use as medicine. In South America, in one of the countries South America, There are two types of America, North America and South America. South America. In South America, there is a tree called cow tree. Cow tree. In South Africa, this is one of the tree. Cow tree. How long can a big tree live? Nobody knows. Why? Because how many years it can live, nobody can say. Some trees have already lived for more than 4,000 years. Do you know all trees, many trees will live 4 to 5,000 to 6,000 years also. They can live for 5 to 6,000 years. Some of them will live as long as trees that we cannot expect. It will be more than 1,000 years. There is a very evergreen means a lot of leaves are present. How do we know the age of a tree? Do trees have birthdays? Yes, they do. They even get on the page. They even get gifts on the birthdays. They get rich every year.
In fifth chapter, that is age of adolescence. What is adolescence? Adolescence age occurs in the 10 to 19 years. Now, what is your age? What is your age? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 11, 12 is the age of adolescence. In the age of adolescence, we may occur many changes. For example, growing of beard, changing of face. We can occur a lot of things in adolescence age. Now next, let us come to one topic. Have you reached the age of adolescence? Yes, you have reached the age of adolescence. In adolescent age, we can't know what is this, what is that, what we should do, what we can't do, what we should. And read the following questions. Think whether the following changes have occurred in you too. Did your voice change? Is your voice change in adolescence? Is hair growing under armpit? Armpit? There's hair going in the armpit? Are there pimples on your face? Yes. Are you looking your face in the mirror frequently? Yes. We grow from childhood to adolescence. We have a lot of stress due to these changes. Are unable to decide whether we belong to adulthood or childhood. This is the period of confusion and transition. This is a period of our confusion. We are belong to childhood or adulthood. What is we are men or we are the child? This is the confusion stage of adolescence. Increase in height. Change in adolescence, increase in height. Growth is one of the important characteristics in human beings. Can we grow throughout of our lifetime? We can grow like plants. We grow certain height for certain period only. We grow certain period only in adolescent age. We can grow like plants throughout the lifetime. We grow certain age from 10 to 19 years. So please concentrate on adolescence age and eat many carbohydrates, vitamins. We should eat a proper diet in adolescence age. This change takes place in adolescence at maximum pace. You may hear that you and your friends are going slowly to your new futures. Example, he is growing very short, he is growing very tall. He is growing very short, he is growing very tall. In adolescence age, your friends grow height, your friends grow very height and your another member will grow very short. The individual reaches a maximum height during adolescence periods only. And boy or girl, they can grow in height in only adolescence age. You may also be growing taller now. You are growing taller now. Your height is increasing in adolescence age. Yes. Do you know up to what age you will grow? Do you know? Let's look at. By know this, you should look at the table. Look at all senior textbooks. Table 1. Age in years, percentage of maximum height, female. In 8 years, males are grown 72% and females are growing 77%. Here we can conclude that females are growing very taller than males. And in age of 75 and 81 is female and 75 is male. Here also we can see 75 male are little bit shorter than females. If they come to 17th age, girls are grown male 100% and males are grown 99%. Here we can conclude that females are growing very taller than males. At come to 18th age, both heights are same. Both are heights percentage are same. 100%, 100%. Thus we can conclude that females are growing very taller than males, but at age of 18, males and females get same height at age of 18. What you have observed from the above table. Using the table, one graph has been drawn. Observe the graph and the following. When does growth in height nearly stops? In which year? In which age that the males and females growth stops? 18 years. Which period of age according to is the fastest growing period for girls? In which year girls grow maximum? On 17th age, the girls grow maximum in the following table. Which period of the age is the fastest growing period for boys? In which period that boys grow total maximum age? 18. Whomever the males and females grow, males are growing taller or females are growing taller? Yes. Initially, the females grow faster than boys, but about by 18 years of age, both reach their maximum height. The rate of growth in height varies in different individuals. Some may grow suddenly and then grow suddenly. She is growing very tall. At 18 years, his height will suddenly stop. This is called adolescence age.